Welcome to the first episode of Life at 20s! Hi guys! So welcome! Nandito tayo ngayon sa bago kong place, sa bago kong unit. So this is a much more bigger apartment. 1 week pa lang ako dito. So I'm super excited kasi I planned to do this, na mag-vlog ulit ako. And basically, this is our new place. This is the aesthetic side of my new place kasi yung dyan, super gulo pa. Hindi ko pa siya naaayos kasi may work ako. I'm using a mic ngayon kasi yung sa labas ng part ng apartment na to, actually ginagawa pa. So, hindi pa talaga sila totally tapos. Nagpumilit lang akong lumipat na kasi nga yung work ko is much near dito sa place na to compared dun sa Eastwood. Ang hassle ng commute and like kain na kain talaga yung time ko sa pagko-commute. So, finish ko na. And actually, this place is super nice. So, double na yung space ko from my past unit. And the lighting is my dream. So, this is another answered prayer. And yes, I plan to start vlogging again. I'm also excited to decorate this unit. I'm excited to buy like Tita stuff. Actually, nag-order na ako ng table. Basta ang dami ko na in-order sa Orange app. And I'm also gonna share that. So, mag-unbox tayo maybe later or tomorrow kasi dumating na yung table. So, this is the first episode of Life at 20s. Hope you guys will be with me the whole adventure. Okay, it's currently 5:30 p.m. May tao sa taas. And it's currently raining. So, thank God, umulan na kasi sobrang init talaga dito sa Manila. Medyo malamig dito sa unit. So, hindi ko kailangan gumamit ng aircon kasi ang mahal ng kuryente dito, guys. So, nagtitipid tayo. But, anyways, I'm planning to ayusin sana to, yung mga boxes. Kasi hindi na siya maganda tingnan. And also, wala na kasi ako masyadong masuot na damit. Kasi yung mga pang-work ko and pambahay ko nandito sa mga boxes na yun. So, I really have to open na. Pero, medyo late na kasi. So, 5 na. So, magagabi na. Baka isang box lang yung ma-open ko talaga. Hey guys, so I'm currently getting ready kasi papunta ako sa Shopee event. And it's currently siguro mga 9:45 and yung event is 11 a.m. So, sa BGC siya. I'm gonna meet my friend. Si Rina yung imi-meet ko. Siya yung lagi kong kasama sa Shopee event. So, after ilang months, 5 months, magkikita ulit kami. The last time I saw her was sa Shopee event din. Yung sa Makati. So, yeah, I'm gonna meet her today. I'm excited kasi this is my first event after a while kasi sobrang busy ko sa work. Ang dami kong pinalampas ng mga events, so I'm not gonna miss Shopee. So, yeah, I'm just getting ready and I'm gonna show you my outfit. So, this is our outfit. The theme is summer florally-ish. If you know me, I don't really wear floral type of dresses or something kasi I'm more of like cream, neutral. But for this event, naghanap talaga ako ng floral to fit in the theme. For my heels, I'm just gonna use this. And then bag is this one. So, ang kalat pa ng room ko. Diba? So, may electric fan pa dyan. So, yes, I'm just gonna finish getting ready and then I'll update you later.
Content creator.
Yeah, we need to vlog it. We need to eat everything.
It's very high versus that go beyond exposure. Simple return and refresh for this generation and beyond. Shopee and household. Here's a program excited to announce when you shop on Shopee here in your order details page, you can to inspect
From the top
and add a reassurance. Otherwise, you can return the party so users can enjoy free and easy returns.
No, I need to like eat this whole.
The app itself of the rest for you.
Okay, so I am home na from the event. I'm gonna plan a super delayed birthday dinner. Birthday ko was May 1 and hindi ako nakapag-dinner with friends or like celebrate na super. I mean, I did celebrate my birthday kasama yung boyfriend ko. But I wanna celebrate my birthday with my friends. So, I'm gonna plan like a dinner party. Dinner party, hindi. Dinner lang dito sa bahay. Yeah, let's plan kung anong food and kung sino yung mga sure na pupunta. I have here my laptop also. Well, actually, nag-message naman na ako sa kanila. I told them na mag-dinner kami dito sa bahay. Tapos, hinartan lang nila yung message ko. So, hopefully, punta sila. June 1 is a Saturday. So, it's like a month. It's like my birthday talaga. 1 month delay lang talaga.
Huwag ka magulo, love. Tama ba pati yung white pinuputol? Ito? Aesthetic nga.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is